world's biggest smartphone camera, Nubia Z60 Ultra. The Nubia Z60 Ultra stands out as a smartphone boasting the world's largest camera sensor, elevating mobile photography to a whole new level. Gadinsider explores the features and specifications that differentiate the Nubia Z60 Ultra from its competitors. The camera setup of the Nubia Z60 Ultra comprises 3 lenses offering versatile shooting capabilities. The primary lens is a 50-megapixel sensor with an aperture of f1.6 and a standard focal length of 35mm, delivering exceptional clarity and detail. It features phase detection autofocus, laser autofocus, and optical image stabilization for precise and steady shots. The secondary lens is a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor with an aperture of f3.3, providing an 85mm focal length for distant subjects. It incorporates PDAF and OIS and offers 3.3x optical zoom, ensuring sharpness and accuracy even at a distance. Lastly, the device includes a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with an f1.8 aperture and an 18mm focal length, capturing expansive scenes with a 100-degree field of view. This lens also features PDAF and OIS, enabling wide-angle shots with remarkable clarity and stability. Overall, this camera system offers users a versatile range of shooting options suitable for various photography needs. Nubia Z60 Ultra is packed with stunning specifications. The Nubia Z60 Ultra includes a 6000 mAh non-removable battery with 80-watt wired charging capability. Gaming enthusiasts will love the device for gaming, as well as it comprises a Qualcomm SM8650AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. That's enough for high-end games, according to different benchmarks. In terms of memory and storage, Nubia Z60 Ultra offers a range of storage and RAM configurations to suit diverse user needs. Options include 256GB storage with 8GB RAM and 12GB RAM, as well as 512GB storage paired with 12GB or 16GB RAM. For those requiring extensive storage and enhanced performance, variants are available with 1TB storage and either 16GB or 24GB RAM. These configurations ensure ample storage space and smooth multitasking capabilities for users with varying usage requirements.